Yes, so we are back. So as I was saying, that today we are going to be discussing on the topic, there are three unique kinds of learners. Okay, there are so many kinds of learners, but today I will be focusing on the three kinds of learners. Okay, and I know everybody here fits in one, two, or maybe all three categories. My name is Olivia Masakwa. Welcome to my channel. If you like what you hear and what I do, please do not fail to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so based on my experience working with people, I have realized that sometimes the people you are mistaken to not be smart are actually smart. It's just the way in which you are presenting a topic for them to learn. And the three kinds of learners we have, I'm looking this way because I have my laptop in my hand. Okay, the three kinds of learners we have the audio learner, those who learn by listening, and we have the visual learner, those who learn by observation, and we have the hands-on learner, those who, in order for you to teach them, they have to like touch what you are teaching them. And for audio learner, they love to listen. So if you want to teach them, you have to talk to them, or you have to explain what you want them to do verbally. Okay, if you don't make it verbal, or if they are not hearing what you are saying, it will be very hard for them to learn. And for the visual learner, they have to see what you are doing. Like, I consider myself a visual learner. A visual learner, for example, will be somebody who loves to read books, but these books have to contain pictures in it. Or like those who know how to assemble tables and chairs, once you give them pictures and you give them the instructions, they can put these things together. These are visual learners. Okay, a visual learner is not just going to learn by reading black and white on a paper like that and understanding what you are trying to tell them. You have to show them, and these will be visual learners. And we have the hands-on learners. Okay, hands-on learners will be those we consider to be like handyman. They describe them to be handymans. Okay, or skillful people. These are hands-on people. If you want to teach them, you have to show them what to do. Like, you can show them how to make a table, how to make a chair. They can use their hands to get it done. If you want to teach them, you have to make them to do it themselves. Okay, I, I always accredit myself to being able to learn in multiple ways. Okay, not to brag, but that's what I've discovered by myself. Because of that, whenever I'm teaching people, if I hear that someone is not quick to learn, the first thing I'm thinking, okay, which area does this person prefer? Because without that, you're going to be teaching them in a way they cannot understand. If I'm trying to teach you how to get the word on a computer, instead of me, for example, being the one holding the mouse and clicking on everything, I will make sure that you're going to hold the mouse, and I will tell you, okay, click here. I'm not going to show you where to click. I'm not going to click it for you. I will show you, because during that time, the person is processing what they are clicking on. If they are a visual learner, they are printing a picture in their mind of each step. Okay, and these people, when you teach them by allowing them to click on what they need to click on, some of them want to go back and redo it, because what? They are trying to picture in their minds what they clicked on. And I always say to people that most of the time, visual learners are the ones that learn for the long term. Okay, if you want a student who just gonna memorize to take a test, they have a lot of them. But if you're looking for people who gonna learn and remember 2, 3, 4 years from now, you have to be able to discover how they learn. And most of these learners are actually visual learners. Like, for example, you have some people who drive. When they drive, they know the entire area. And you know, how do you know the area? They're like, oh, I know by the street names. And then some people will tell you, oh, I know by landmarks. Landmarks people are visual learners. Okay, they look at maybe a famous supermarket or maybe a famous gas station. They are not looking at street names. Okay, they know where they are going based on these landmarks. people who follow LearnMax are visual learners, okay? So we have to know these things when we are teaching. And if you have kids, you have to use these 3 methods to discover which area of learning is the best for your kid, and not conclude that your kid is not a smart kid when they are actually a smart kid. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to throw light on a few things that we can use to apply to not just ourselves, but to apply it to our kids and to our friends, to make each other better and to bring out the best or the genius in all of us. But guys, thanks for watching. Again, my name is Olivia Massaquoi. Some people call me Hawa, some people call me Olivia, whichever you feel comfortable with. Bye-bye, and shout out to my sister, my big sister. I hope you are proud of me, and I'm proud of you. I appreciate you, Ophelia. To God be the glory. Have a good day, guys. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Okay, thanks for watching.